Air pollution by Troop 139005. Air pollution matters. Air pollution is when we release greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Air pollution is helping cause global warming. Air pollution matters because it will affect our lungs and make us sick, possibly with cancer or asthma. It will reduce the number of years we live. Air pollution also affects.
Why do we need to teach others? During the past 100 years, the world has changed in many ways due to new technologies, buildings being made, and chemical plants. While these changes have helped the quality of life for many people, other changes have affected people's health in a negative way. People need to be able to identify the types of pollution, the sources of pollution, and how they can save or protect the environment from further pollutants. A lot of CO2 in the atmosphere leads to smog. Because of the increase in smog, the amount of sunlight reaching the earth is limited, which causes a disruption in the process of photosynthesis in plants. The release of greenhouse gases like CO2 leads to global warming, which causes the polar ice caps to melt as an outcome. Other gases cause acid rain. Chemicals let out into the atmosphere adds to the depletion of the ozone layer. As a result of rising chemicals and gases, soil can become infertile. This, along with the decrease in sunlight, causes plants not to grow. Ways we can help reduce air pollution. Pay your bills online. Bottled water represents 1.5 million tons of plastic every year. Use a refillable bottled water instead. Use glass instead of plastic. Go shopping online instead of driving to stores. We can reduce air pollution by reusing plastic water bottles. You can reuse your plastic water bottles instead of throwing them away. You could use them for an art project, or you could melt them and make a 3D printing film. You could use a metal water bottle instead, too, or donate them to companies that will reuse them for you. You can recycle them, or you can make them into a pen holder, or make them into a piggy bank or garden in a gallon water bottle. You can make them into a bird feeder, and lastly, you can make them into a cat or dog toy.
We can reduce air pollution by reducing our use of plastic and other material. Avoid single-use plastic, that's like drinking straw. Number 2, if you go shopping, remember to take a cloth bag. Number 3, buy more bulk food and fewer packaged products. Number 4, replace plastic Tupperware for glass or steel container. Number 5, when hanging out washing, use wooden pads instead of plastic ones. Number 6, make those around you aware of the recycling. Number 7, pay attention and put your plastic waste in the correct recycling container. Number 8, wear natural fabric. And number 9, choose to reuse and give some of the packaging a new purpose.
We can reduce air pollution by reducing the use of paper. Paper is bad for the environment and can harm people and animals. Therefore, we need to reduce the amount of paper we put into the environment because the paper we use comes from trees. When we make paper, we are having to cut down many trees and destroying animals' habitats and homes. Reducing our paper use will really make an impact on the world around us.
Ways we can reduce air pollution indoors. Don't smoke, use natural cleaning supplies, open windows, use air filters, use an AC or dehumidifier to reduce moisture, dust and vacuum frequently, minimize air freshener use, remove carpet if possible, and minimize clutter.
We can reduce air pollution by adding more plants into our house. One of the best household plants is to help with air pollution is mother-in-law's tongue or snake plant. The snake plant or mother-in-law's tongue is one of the most recommended plants for improving air quality. The optimal place to keep this relatively inexpensive and low-maintenance plant is in the bedroom because it converts CO2 into oxygen at night.
Plants that help reduce indoor air pollution.
Bamboo palm. The bamboo palm is a formaldehyde filtering superstar, especially as they quickly grow from small palms to 12-foot trees. Peace lily. The peace lily helps get rid of several indoor pollutants, gases, and solvents like trichloroethylene, benzene, ammonia, and formaldehyde. Aloe vera. Not only does the gel inside the leaf help with wounds and burns, aloe vera also helps filter formaldehyde from the air.
We can reduce air pollution by using cleaning supplies that are good for the environment. Number 1, Ecos is natural and organic. It uses 100% renewable resources. Number 2, Better Life uses recyclable resources and solar energy to package. Number 3, Velez is an all-purpose surface cleaner, and it is made out of 100% food waste.
Norwex is an organic cleaning supply company that tries not to use chemicals altogether to clean. Simply an Enviro cloth and water removes 99% of bacteria. The cleaning supplies they do make are 100% plant-based. Method make all organic and plant-based cleaners that suit all your needs. Please help Troop 139005 reduce air pollution.